Here we go. So make sure you're doing your head with it too, and face your hips the way that you need to on that diagonal. Make sure that your hips are square facing that side, and then keep working your turnout. Yeah. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Okay. It's looking good. Can we do it one more time? This time, you guys really make sure you're working your turnout. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Hang on. So when you guys are going up, here's what I've seen. Like, I'll pretend this is the way that you're going. So make sure, like, your hips are facing, if I was going side to side, yeah, my hips should be facing that way, not towards the foot that you're going on, okay? Use your turnout on both legs and come up to it, okay? I see a lot of, like, you guys are kind of going forward. This is, like, really exaggerated, but you guys are almost, like, going to the front with it instead of to the side. So make sure that you're using that turnout and it's coming up onto it. Okay? Did you guys see that with the hips, though? Really make sure that they're facing front and you're really turning out, okay? Otherwise, it almost looks like you guys are hunching forward. I'll kind of show you what I mean. So if you're here, this is what it looks like. Your whole, like, upper body tends to go forward, but you want to keep it upright, right? So you almost, like, it looks like you're going here, like up and over it. It's real, again, it's really exaggerated, but that's kind of what it looks like, okay? So stay upright, lift that hip over it instead of your upper body. Lift your hip over that foot, okay? Can I just see you guys do a couple just facing me to the side? Let's just do 2 PKs, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, PK, up, down, up, down. Good. Now I just want to see up, down, down, up, down, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and PK, up, down, down, turn out, down. Good. Okay. On your supporting leg, you still have to turn out as well, okay? I think that might actually be the issue, guys. Turn out on that supporting leg. That's what's really going to make a difference, okay? Yeah. Let's do it again for me, facing forward, and then we'll try it on an angle, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and plie. Go up, down, up, down, up, down. And scoot over once. I just want to see it one more time. 6, 7, and up, down, up, down, up, down. Plie on your supporting leg. So especially in that fondue, make sure that you're plie. Okay, like big time plie. Okay? One more time. Please keep that in mind this time, okay? Fondue. 5, 6, 7, and up, down, up, down, up, down. So you guys, that coupe should always be to the front unless it's the last one. Yeah? The coupe is front, front, down, up, back. Okay? So make sure that coupe happens to the front, and then the last one, when you land it, should be the back. Okay? Let's see it 2 times in a row now. Okay? Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and back 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and back 8. Okay, good. That was better. That was better. Good. Okay, can we do our échappé entrecôte section? I think that's always kind of a tricky part too. Remember, we're really trying to work on our entrecôtes and our petite jumps to make sure that you're really squeezing your thighs in the air and you're pointing your toes also as hard as you can, okay? So make sure that we're doing those tight things really close together. Keep your thighs squeezed, keep your glutes engaged, and lift up in your core, okay? Let's go from that entrecôte. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4. Échappé 5, and 6, close, 7, close, 8, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Those are looking good, you guys. Of course it's faster, so I'm actually going to have you guys do it faster, okay? So it's looking good. Keep your pliés going as much as possible so that you can push out nice and easy, okay? Let's try it faster. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, go. 5, 6, close, 7, close, 8, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, close, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Ooh, you guys aren't closing those fifths very tight when we're doing our échappés. Close those heels in, okay? Your heels have to close in. Feel like, yeah, you just have to make sure that you're closing a little bit tighter with your heels, okay? Make sure that they're going into that 5th position. Squeeze your glutes, okay? Squeeze your thighs. Push out, pull in, okay? Again, faster this time. We're going 2 times through, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, go. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good. I almost want you guys to count that in your head and think the and you're squeezing so hard. Okay? You close on the and, right? So close and really squeeze. Okay? I would like to go from, let's work on some transition sections. So transition from, I know, our pique, down, up, down, the ones we just worked on. Can we work on that into the transition to the pas de chas, okay? And let's work on our pas de chas, okay? So let's go from the transition. We'll just do 5 and 6 and 7 and close 8 and go right into it, okay? So just working on that transition, let's go for it. Ready? 3, 4, up, 5 and 6 and 7 and close 5th 8. One more time from 3, 4. So 3, 4, up, 5 and 6 and 7 and close 8. Close it tight. That should be in 5th. So when we close, which leg should be in back? The right. The right should be in back. Yes. The right should be in back because when we travel for our pas de chas, the back leg travels first. Okay? So right should be in back. So when we close that down, up, down, close that left in front. Let's do that one more time, that transition. Ew. Here we go. 3, 4, peak 5 and 6 and down 7 and close 8. Pas de chat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that'll be good. All right. Let's work on another transition. I want to work on from your let's work on the transition to the slide, beat, beat, slide, beat, beat. Yes, let's work on 5, 6, and 7, 8, and close. What's right after that? What's right after that one? Yes, Maddie. Yes, Megan. Yes, Michaela. Okay, I saw you three do it. So you guys, right after that, up, beat, beat. Last one, beat, beat, coupe, right? Okay. And that coupe, let's go for it. So let's go from 5, 6, and 7, 8, and prep to go up. Ready? So 3, 4, up, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and prep, up, and 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah? Let's do that one more time. When you prep, is your coupe in front or in back? It should be the front. Nobody wants to say anything, but it's the front. Okay, so you should make sure you're on the left, and then you're going to coupe that left to the front. Okay, so let's go for it. From the slide, up, up, slide, up on 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 3, 4, go 5, 6, and 7, 8, and close 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yeah. Okay. Better. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna find some music for you guys, and we're gonna actually try it together, okay? One sec. Okay. Here we go. From the top. And turn it up as loud as I can. Here we go. With the heads and everything, okay? Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and a 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, prep 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and good. Okay. So I would say overall, we need to really make sure that we're getting up onto the box. I would say especially on it gets really fast around the time that you guys go up to the PK down up down part, and I see some of you guys not go up onto your box there, and then also at the part we do the slide beat beat. That beat beat, you guys need to get up onto that point. Okay. That's just that. If not, if it's not going to happen, you guys tell me. If it's like, man, I just don't have the muscle in my foot for some reason, I'll change it so that you're on flat for that part. Okay? So if it's just like too much, don't feel like, oh my gosh, it's just going to look like poop because I can't get up onto my box. I will change it. Okay? So you guys do not have to feel like, oh man, once like showtime comes, because we're doing the show in July now instead of June. We have a little bit of time. However, next week is our last week of class, so you're going to really have to work your butts off by yourself a little bit. So make sure that you guys keep up on it. Otherwise, you're not going to get up over your box when the time comes, okay? So please make sure that you work on that. If not, I will change it so that you're flat foot. It's no big deal, okay? But I'd really, really like it if you guys tried to work hard and get up onto that box. That's our goal for the show, okay? That's gonna be our main focus, you guys, is making sure that we're, especially, it's that one leg stuff. When you're going up onto your box on the 1 foot, it's tricky, it's hard, and you have to have the muscle to do it. So we're really having to work hard with our bar work and stuff and our exercises to warm up so that we can get there, okay? Can I actually have you guys go to that same section, and then we will work on that for the rest of this class, okay? So let's go to slide up, beat, beat, yeah? That's hard on just ballet slippers. So you guys, this is not easy. Don't think it is, because it is definitely difficult. Okay, let's go for it though. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and good. Can I just have you guys do me a favor? And instead of doing your beats really quick, I just want you to try this for me. So just go plie up and then hold that leg out to the side in like that kind of a la cone, okay? So just hold plie up, okay? I just want you to practice that both sides. So just go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? We'll do that for an 8 count. Ready? Just on your point, and I really want you to make sure that you're getting up and over your box. That's the goal. So don't do the beats for a sec. Just do leg a la cone. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, don't be shy. You guys can do it. Lift up in your hip and in your rib cage on that supporting side a lot more, okay? Pull up, all right? Same thing. Don't do the beats, just do the leg a la cone. Slide into it though, ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your hips forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Yes. So turn out. That's going to be a big deal. Okay. I'm going to have us do that one more time and then we'll add in the beats. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, and I can see that you guys are really working hard with your arms and your upper body, which they can't be working that hard because you're going to be having them down at your side, right? So let's go ahead and throw those beats in there and we'll see how we do, okay? But this is, you guys, that exercise right there is going to be a good one for you guys to just work on by yourself too, okay? So instead of doing the beats in there, just go ahead and really pull up on that side and work on just that one leg exercise, okay? Here we go with the beats. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. And ooh, it looks good with your turnout, you guys. All right, let's do it with the music one more time, okay? From the very top, and then we have to be done. All right. Here we go. 2, 3, prep. 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 2 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Repeat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Prep 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Prep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Prep 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Point your toes. And 8. Yes. Okay, you guys, I'm going to really say, let's try and work on those transitions, especially like we forgot maybe the one that was coming from the pas de chat into the prep, into the emboîtés. So really focus on, we're going to try to focus on the transitions a lot more, okay? We need to make those a little bit more seamless. So let's go ahead and for next week, I'm doing this with all my classes, but I want you to come up with at least one question or one concern that you have with the piece, okay? So if you have a question, please come up with one, like anything, okay? Anything. And if there's duplicates, it's okay. We'll just answer it all, okay? But come up with a question that you have or a concern, okay? And then we'll meet next week. Sounds good? And then next week is, I believe, one.
What?
You guys are loud. I'm deleting your sound. Okay, so you guys, next week, I don't think there's anything different for this one. Just come up with the question and keep practicing, okay? So it'll be good. All right. Get some sleep. I'll see ya. Thank you guys. Dress up next week.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Thanks.